I've been lucky to train Jiu-Jitsu for 25 years and not be completely broken. I can't say a lot of that for a lot of the guys that I've been training with and known for a long time. And one of the common things I notice that sets guys back is, well, getting injured. Okay, some of us already have mileage, going through our lives, and we got guys military background, whatever background. And so, one of the like if I could start all over again, I would want to learn how to move for Jiu-Jitsu. Okay, so for Jiu-Jitsu, there's a very specific way to be able to move, and if you can't move and get into particular positions, well, that's when shoulder strains happen and hip this and ankle this, like these things happen. And traditional stretching doesn't work. Doing these types of things, it doesn't work. We need to be able to move in a way that completely integrates the entire body, the entire system, and that's what we're going to do today. And it only takes about 5 minutes. And these are all, these aren't particular to Jiu-Jitsu, but you'll notice everything that we do mirrors what you do on the ground. And so this is a proven fact. The more time you spend on the floor, this is period in general, the more time you spend on the floor, the healthier and the stronger and the more resilient your body is going to be.